Okay, so on this part of the video, I will try to answer some questions that you might have in mind right now. Say, for example, what if I have students who are using a tablet or an iPad or a smartphone? Will she be removed in the meeting if she access the Peer Deck link? The answer is no. She will not be removed in the meeting. However, that student won't be able to turn on her camera. So once she access the Peer Deck link, it will not it will be difficult for her to turn on her camera. But the good thing is she can still listen to your discussion in your virtual meeting. Second question, will I be able to know the students who are answering or not answering in the Peer Deck slides? The answer is no. You won't be able to know that. Remember, we disabled this icon, meaning they cannot also set their avatar or their nickname as they log in the or as they access the Peer Deck link. And last question, will this Peer Deck need a stable connection or data connection? The answer is yes. If you have students who have unstable connection, it will be difficult for them to see the slides in the Peer Deck. It will take some time to show the slides that you're presenting in your Peer Deck link. Okay, so those are the questions that I will be able to answer for now. If you still have some questions, please don't hesitate to comment in our chat box below. And of course, I will try my best to answer your questions. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned one or two on how to create an engaging presentation for your virtual meeting. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.